Let me show you how I made this delicious, easy peasy chicken piccata with no egg and no breading. Take your chicken breast nice and clean. Go from this to this. Nice and pound it evenly thin. Some capers, some shallots, some garlic, half a cup of lemon juice. We have a really good salted butter. We have the Borsari Citrus, a little bit of white wine, and flour. I'm going to do a light drizzle of olive oil and make sure that I coat each side just so that all the seasoning sticks, just like so. Now that I add all my seasoned Borsari with fresh black pepper on each side, we are ready to get started. Something I want to add to my flour is finely chopped flat leaf parsley and mix this guy around. Make sure to coat each side nice and evenly, and when you have each side nice and coated, get rid of any excess. In a hot skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. As I mentioned before, don't overcrowd the pan. Maybe you want to do 2 chicken breasts at a time. On a medium to high heat, you just want to keep an eye on it, and you want this type of color before you remove them from your pan. So this is what you're looking for. Starting off with some shallots, some garlic, some capers, fresh black pepper. Around. Next, we're going to add some lemon juice and a little bit more butter. Adding that little bit of butter is going to create this sauce. It's going to make that creamy consistency that we're looking for. And once the butter is all melted, this is the outcome. Perfect. So to this, we add a 1/4 cup of white wine, a pinch of oregano and fresh black pepper. And that's it. You pour this beautiful sauce right over your chicken. I did finish cooking all my chicken breasts into the oven until I hit a temperature of 165. You do not want to thoroughly cook it in your pan. And this is the beautiful outcome. I'm going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit of greens because you guys know I love herbs. And I'm ready to serve. I serve this bad boy next to some cauliflower rice. And let me tell you, no need to miss pasta or potatoes. So, next post, I'll teach you how to make the cauliflower. In the meantime, thank you so much, Borsari, for this delicious meal. Enjoy.